I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
How's it going, man? What you got running there?
I got 4 NVX 15s on a big boss TV.
Okay, those are NVX?
Yeah, version 3s. So it's like a step below their highest level 2.
Okay.
But I'm still on AGM. I got excess power in the hood. Behind the seat, I got a multi cap. Voltage, once I upgrade battery, it'll work.
Okay. Those are 15? Okay.
It's a 4-to-1 or 2-to-1 ratio.
Okay.
Cat back with a cannonball. I buck 'em all.
Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it.